Domino apps let you easily share and scale interactive web tools built with frameworks such as Streamlit, Shiny, Dash, Flask, or others. Domino takes care of the infrastructure for you. We have some new enhancements in the latest release, improving enhanced app discoverability, improved share workflows. In this case, we have a restricted app that we've shared with particular users in the organization, but we could also make the app globally discoverable so users could request access themselves. And finally, we've added support for application autoscaling. And so you can see if we go into edit our deployment, we can enable autoscaling and set target CPU and memory thresholds so that as usage of the app spikes above or below these levels, we can adjust the infrastructure serving the app accordingly, eliminating the trade-off between performance on the one hand and cost control and optimization on the other. All these new enhancements are available in Domino Cloud and in the 6.2 release. Thanks.